Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover the Cloud Run, right? So before going to cover the Cloud Run means what is Cloud Run? First we need to think why Cloud Run is required, right? So means if any services which is defined by any service provider, there must be some reason behind so that people can opt and use it. So why is the very important keyword. So let's discuss why Cloud Run is required, right? So what happened in a cloud environment when you are suppose you want to deploy some website. In this scenario, you have to require CPU, memories, network. These things required to deploy anything to the cloud providers, right? So in a cloud run, we don't require means no server management. It will be a serverless, right? Just maintain your code. You have to maintain your code, your repo. After that, just make a bundle. You can call this container. Rest of leave over the cloud provider. Second things, automatic scaling. Scaling is very important if you are running something in a production environment. Like sometimes what we expect, unexpected load on the website, right? At that moment, what we are facing, site is down or is due to the heavy load to the site, it is response is going to be very slow, which is causing a lot of issue in a process, right? So second things it is going to resolve further because they are using the automatic scaling, right? Third thing is the cost effect. It's the very important things for the cloud environment. Your solution should be cost effective because everything is all about the cloud, all about the cost. Sorry, runs anything in a container. It's a very important things means like a traditional servers, cloud function, and cloud runs. This cloud run basically in a Google, you can run any environment, right? Node, Python, Go, Java, Rust, etc. Right? So that's why we are using the cloud run. Okay. Now this cloud run. Cloud run is a fully managed compute platform which is provided by Google, and that lets you run your application in a containers without having to manage servers and infrastructure. You simply package your code into a container and deploy it. That's it. Means you don't need to worry about what will be the CPU, what will be the memory, CPU, load balancer. It is a lot of the you just package your code, deploy into a container. Rest Google will handle. So let's see how we can configure a cloud run. It's a very small app, right? I'm going to give a small demo for you how you can configure it and how you can run it. So let's jump to the demo. Okay. So now we are in our Google console here. So for this demo, what we need what is called application, right? And first we need application code. Then we need that application code should be in a container form. Means we need a Docker file where we'll build a container, and then we have to push this container to the this AC, Google Cloud ACR means repository. From there we can pick the we will run the cloud run service and pick that image Docker image from there, and we can run into this. So let's do how we can do this. So for this you have two options, right? First you can run the cloud run here, means I'm going to run this one. After that, second option is also available. If you have a G Cloud, install your GSDK, means Google Cloud command line interface in your machine, then you can also use from there. So I'm not going to use the second option. I'm going to use the first option here. So just click on the activate the cloud cell, right? This will activate, right? This will create a temporary virtual machine for you where everything will be automatically enabled here, right? You can see here, right, this one. For last time I have created, so I think it's already contained here. So right. So this file basically like, so you have to go to here and you have to create a folder name. Just take, you can take any name. Just I have created cloud run demo here. Inside that I have created main.py file. This is simple, right? Simple file for the Python one here. This is the code. I will this code into your description box here, right? After that I have created on Docker file here. right? That Docker file is going to, I'm just calling from command prompt main.py this file here, and it will create a, you know, Docker image for us. After that, what you have to do, you have to just open the terminal, click on the new terminal here, go to the terminal box, right? Once go to terminal box, always choose the right folder name. If you are going to run the command, it will give you the error here, right? So we have to go into the cloud run. So go to the cloud run demo here. Okay, now let's build the Docker image, right? So G cloud build, right? Submit that this is will be your tag name. This will pick up your project ID from here, and then the cloud demo. Click enter, right? Wait, right? This will create image for you. It will take a less time for me because I have already created, right? But for you, it will create some time, right? So once it will done, it will send a image, right? Let me open the another Google console here so that you can tell you what is happening inside that, right? Just click on the registry. Dinner registry on here, and okay, you can see here we have a gcr.io, and the process is successful here, and you can see here gcr.cloud.demo run here. Okay, inside that we have a latest, this is the latest one which I have uploaded just now, right? What next after that? Once it is done, right, let's create the cloud run. So for that, I'm going to run this command. Okay, so let's pick this command from, I have already written it. I will press enter, and let's wait for some time. Okay, so what I have given here, cloud run deploy, cloud run demo here, image name which we have already created, right? Last command was there. Region is Asia, right? I have put in the region Asia here. Platform is managed definitely, and you can see here now its task is done here. But for you, if you are going to deploy first time, it will take some time to, when you are going to deploy first time, it will ask to enable the API. So you have to wait for some time. But now we are good, and after that you will get one URL here, right? Just take this URL. Okay. If just copy and paste it here, and now you can see hello from the cloud thread. This is the demo, right, for the cloud run, right? I know it's not something big for the starting in a cloud run. It's important. So it is, and one more thing, guys, it is very important topic for the interview purpose, right? So we will meet in next video. Till now, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.